Welcome to IdeaPlex, your go-to channel for unlocking the power of AI, discovering game-changing tools, and mastering productivity like a pro. Whether you're a creator, a student, or just someone who loves tech, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the future, one idea at a time. Ever feel like you're drowning in sticky notes, endless to-do lists, and random ideas scattered across 10 different apps? What if I told you there's one tool that can replace them all? And it's not just for productivity nerds. Today, we're diving into Notion, the all-in-one workspace that's changing how individuals and teams get things done. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just someone who wants to organize their life, this video will show you why Notion is a game changer. Alright, let's be real. Notion is everywhere. From students to CEOs, everyone seems to be obsessed with it. Whether you're a total beginner or a Notion pro, you'll walk away with something valuable. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Notion? In simple terms, it's a mix of note-taking, project management, and databases all in one. It lets you build custom dashboards, manage tasks, take notes, and even create your own personal knowledge hub. But the real magic? It's flexibility. Unlike other apps, Notion lets you decide how you want to organize your life. Notion is fully customizable. You can make it as simple or as complex as you need. The best part, it's super intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Let's break it down further. All your projects, goals, calendars, roadmaps, and more in one tool, personalized to how you and your team work. No more endless searching. Built-in AI finds what you're looking for, whether it's stored in Notion or one of your other apps. Built right into your workspace, Notion AI is ready to brainstorm, summarize, help you write, and find what you're looking for. Alright, let's get hands-on. First things first, signing up. Here's how. First, head over to www.notion.com. You'll see a big button that says Get Notion Free. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign up. You can use your email, Google account. I'll use my Google account for this demo. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Notion will ask you a few questions to customize your experience. For example, it'll ask if you're using Notion for personal use with the team or for school. I'll select for myself since I'm setting this up for personal productivity. Then it'll ask what you'll use Notion for, like planning, note-taking, or projects. You can select multiple options here. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where all your pages and workspaces live. On the left, you'll see a sidebar with a few default pages like Getting Started and Quick Notes. You can see the Notion AI option in your dashboard. Click on it to get started. You might need to enable it in your settings if it's not already active. Type what you need, whether it's a draft, a summary, or an idea. Notion AI is an AI-powered assistant built directly into Notion. It uses advanced language models like OpenAI's GPT to help you write, brainstorm, summarize, and organize your content faster and more effectively. Think of it as your personal productivity co-pilot, ready to assist you with anything from drafting emails to generating creative ideas. Just give it a prompt and it'll generate a draft for you. It can rewrite or refine your existing text to make it more concise, professional, or engaging. Stuck on a project? Notion AI can help you brainstorm ideas for anything: video topics, business names, or even creative stories. It can create structured outlines for essays, articles, or projects. Notion AI can condense long articles, meeting notes, or documents into key points. It can pull out tasks or action items from your notes. It can help you quickly gather information or generate lists. If you're not sure where to start, Notion has templates for everything. Click Templates in the sidebar, and you'll see options like Personal Home, Task Manager, and Content Calendar. Let's try the Task Manager template. Once you select it, Notion will create a pre-designed page with sections for tasks, deadlines, and progress. You can customize it however you like. Alright, let's start by creating a new page. On the left sidebar, you'll see a button that says plus new page. Go ahead and click that. Notion will ask you to name your page. Let's call this one My Daily Planner. This is where you'll organize your tasks, goals, or whatever you need for the day. Once you've named your page, you'll see a blank canvas. Think of this as your digital notebook. You can add anything here: text, images, to-do lists, or even videos. It's completely customizable, so you can make it work for your needs. Now, let's add some content. Notion uses something called blocks to build your page. A block can be anything: a paragraph of text, a heading, a to-do list, or even an image. To add a block, just start typing or use the head command. For example, let's add a to-do list. Type to do and hit enter. Boom! You've just created a checklist. Now, you can start adding tasks for the day. Let's say your first task is plan video ideas. Just type that in and press enter. You can add as many tasks as you need. And here's the cool part. When you complete a task, just check it off. It's so satisfying to see your progress as you go through the day. Now that you've got your to-do list, let's make this page even more useful. You can add other blocks to organize your day. The possibilities are endless, and you can rearrange everything by dragging and dropping blocks. It's like building your own productivity dashboard. Alright, that's a wrap on Notion. If you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, or whether you're just starting or looking to master Notion, this tool can be a game changer. You can find the link in the description below. Notion's free plan is one of the most generous out there, and it's perfect for anyone looking to get organized without spending a dime. If you're curious about Notion, I highly recommend trying the free plan first. It's a great way to explore the platform and see if it fits your needs. Notion. Or if you're already a Notion pro, share your favorite tips. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay productive and keep creating. Bye.